CHM131, and we are going to explain why oil and water cannot be mixed.
Hi, my name is Nur Elisha Irwana binti Muhammad Nazari, and here is my student ID. My name is Naresha binti Ismail. Here my student ID.
My name is Nur Maisara Hezrina binti Mahari Anwar. Here's my student ID.
Hi guys, my name is Nur Hazika Hajar binti Zoamri, and this is my student ID.
Hey Dale, what are you doing? I saw a tutor saying water and oil cannot be mixed. Why, Ellie?
Like this ke?
Yes!
Oh, I think it's because of... Hello everyone, in this experiment we are going to observe what happens when oil is mixed with water. First we prepare a glass of water, then we slowly pour oil into water. As you can see, the oil does not mix with water. Instead, the oil floats on top of the water.
Even if we stir the mixture, the oil and water will separate again after some time. This shows that oil and water do not form a solution. Oil and water are also immiscible, which means they cannot mix together. In daily life, this experiment explains why oil split float on seawater and why salad dressing separate when left for a while. In conclusion, oil and water cannot mix because of their different properties. Oil will always float on water and form two distinct layers.
So now, do you understand, Dale?
Yes, I understand, Ellie.
So let's tell our other groupmates.
Let's go!
Yes.
Hi Mai, hi Rika. Do you know water and oil cannot be mixed?
Yes, we already know.
How? It's because they have different properties. Water is polar, while oil is non-polar.
Exactly. Instead of mixing, the oil separate and float on top of the water. So in conclusion, water and oil can mix together because of the chemical difference.
Oh!
That's all.
Water molecules have a band V-shaped structure. This shape causes an uneven charge distribution. Oxygen is slightly negative, hydrogen is slightly positive. This makes water a polar molecule.
Oil is mainly composed of molecules called triglycerides. A triglyceride consists of one glycerol molecule bonded to three fatty acid chains through ester bonds.
Why water and oil can't be mixed is because of... Firstly, it's because oil and water are two common liquids that we use in our daily life. Even when we mix it together, they do not combine. This happens because of the nature of their molecules. Moreover, water molecule contains from chemical formula H2O. Each molecule contains two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. However, water is a polar molecule, and this means it has a positive and negative charge.
Next, we move to oil molecule. First, oil is made up of hydrocarbon molecule. Second, oil is a non-polar substance. Third, this molecule contains mainly carbon and hydrogen. Fourth, it has no electrical charge. Fifth, oil molecules are not attracted to water molecule. Then, we move to why oil and water do not mix. Important rule like dissolve light. Polar substance dissolve in polar substance. Non-polar substance dissolves in non-polar substance. Water is polar, oil is non-polar. Therefore, oil and water cannot mix. Then, density difference. Oil is less dense than water. This causes oil to float on top of water. Even when shaken, the oil will separate again after same time. Role of soap. A polar water-loving end. Soap helps oil and water mix temporarily. A non-polar oil-loving end. This is how soap removes grease and dirt. Lastly, the conclusion is oil and water do not mix because of their different molecule properties. Water is polar, oil is non-polar. Density also affects their position when mixed. That's all.
Based on the video, it is because of a submolecule has two very important parts. One end is called hydrophilic head, which means it is attracted to water. Other ends is hydrophobic tail, which repels water but it is attracted to oil and grease. When soap is mixed with water, the hydrophobic tails attach to dirt and oil on the skin, while the hydrophilic heads remain attracted to the water.
Takut bercampur kalau bunyi sangat. Tak. Nanti naik slow ke atas.
Lawan lah weh. Sparkling. Semat dia. Sparkling.
Macam pakai kucing tu dah.
Salah Eli kenapa nak ikut? Dia tak boleh lah, aku sakit lah kaki. Dia jatuh kaki ni, lelak jatuh kan. Dia okey tak ni? Sakit tu aku. 1, 2, 3. Hi Del, what are you doing? I saw a TikTok saying water and oil cannot be mixed. Why Ellie? That is sister. Yes!